The SPM butt and leg treatment is a patented treatment method based on pressure and negative pressure. Before the treatment is started, the duration of the treatment, the negative pressure and the pulsation are set. The amount of pressure is increased by turning the left button to the right, and it's lowered by turning to the left. To start a treatment, the right button has to be pulled out. Connect the SPM pistols. First, open the lymph nodes in the groin area. For this, it is important that the SPM pistols are placed directly on the lymph nodes and a vacuum is generated for about 3 to 4 seconds. Release the pressure and slightly move the pistols. It is also important to open the lymph nodes in the abdominal area at the watershed. The watershed is located around the belly button. Now apply SPM gel on the legs and distribute it evenly. The leg is now divided into 3 areas. Start with the shortest path and run the pistols slowly over the skin surface and without pressing the pistols into the skin. Once the entire front of the leg has been treated, repeat all the steps on the right leg. The next step is activation. This leads to more oxygen in the deeper layers of the connective tissue and stimulates the fat metabolism. Make sure there is enough gel on the skin and work in all directions as quickly as possible. The skin needs to redden. You can move both pistols at the same time or work with one pistol to firm the skin with a second one. If the skin has a bad blood circulation, a e-stick can be applied before activation, otherwise after activation to increase oxygen uptake even during the tightening phase. After adjusting the tightening parameters on the device, start putting the pistols in parallel. Wait about 3 seconds and then work quickly in one direction. For the next step of the tightening phase, put both pistols side by side on the inside of the leg, wait a moment and then pull quickly into the middle of the leg. Repeat this also on the outside of the leg to reduce the circumference of the thigh. To complete the tightening, place both pistols on either side of the leg and move in rapid movements to the center. This step is the so-called Christmas tree. Hold the pistols on the backside of the knee and adjust as necessary until they have a connection. Stay on one point for several seconds. Please apply generously SPM gel here as well. In connection, you drive in long lanes from the knee towards the ledge. Repeat this movement in a V shape so that you divert the lymphatic fluid outwards and inwards. After the lymphatic drainage, the next step is activation. For this, you can optionally apply a e-stick to the skin and then work in all directions, fast and in circular movements until the skin reddens. If the skin is red, work another 30 seconds to increase the oxygen level in the skin. By using the e-stick, you achieve an even better oxygen intake. Activate the butt area very intensively to build up the volume and shape the bottom. After activation comes the special step, phagocytosis. To do this, set the device to at least 35 of negative pressure in the display, put on the pistol, hold it until the pressure has completely built up and then quickly pull the pistol off. Now place the big pistol on the side, wait about 3 seconds and then pull it over the skin surface towards the middle. Then place the pistol in the line below the butt and pull it upwards towards the back. If you want to support the treatment with the applicators, set them up after manual pre-treatment. To do this, set the pulsed pressure on the device. The treatment time with the applicators is 30 minutes. Carefully remove the butt applicators and remove any remains of gel. For finalization care, stylo cream is applied. This care supports the lymphatic flow, cools easily and provides a velvety and soft skin feeling. Apply the care in direction of the lymph flow, that means from the ankle to the groin area in long movement. So that all metabolic waste can be removed, repeat step 1, the lymphatic drainage once again. Alternatively, you can also use the slide styler or vacuum styler for a perfect finish.